Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. A few days ago was National Chocolate Mint Day, and I couldn't let that pass by without recognizing an awesome flavor combination. I thought about trying to recreate one of my favorite examples, Andy's Mints, but then I thought, they're good, but they're awfully small. So then I thought, what if I made a fudge that looked and tasted like Andy's Mints? So here we are. It's pretty simple, just a layer of white chocolate fudge made with some mint flavor and green food coloring, sandwiched between a couple of layers of dark chocolate fudge. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Andy's Mint Fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1½ cups of sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of white chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of peppermint flavor, and some green gel food coloring. I also used an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment paper, and a spatula. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan. Add 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to 1 cup of chocolate chips. Repeat with the other cup of chocolate chips. Melt the chocolate in the microwave for 30 seconds. Stir and repeat in 15-second intervals until the chocolate is melted. Set one bowl aside and spread the mixture from the other bowl into the baking pan. Place the baking pan in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Add the remaining sweetened condensed milk to the bowl with the white chocolate. Melt the white chocolate in the microwave in 15-second intervals, stirring after each interval. Add the peppermint flavor and food coloring to the white chocolate mixture and stir until the color is evenly mixed. Add more color or flavor as needed. Remove the pan from the refrigerator and carefully add the white chocolate mixture. Return it to the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Remove the pan from the refrigerator and add the remaining dark chocolate mixture. Return the fudge to the refrigerator and let it set for about 2 hours or until it's firm. Remove the fudge from the pan and cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Well, this turned out exactly like I hoped it would. I mean, it looks like an Andes mint. The fudge is smooth and creamy. The chocolate and mint flavors are perfectly balanced. If you're a fan of Andes mints, you really ought to try these. So then I thought, what if I made a fudge that looked and tasted like Andes? Milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat.